Huawei's latest FreeBuds 4 looks similar to their predecessor and bring a host of improvements across the board, including multi-device connectivity, volume touch controls on the stem, and upgraded drivers for enhanced sound quality as well as support for high-resolution audio. They sport a familiar open-fit design that's lightweight and spacious, appealing to those who don't want to jam silicone tips in their ears. And though open-fit buds don't offer a solid seal around your ear, Huawei's banking on its dual microphone ANC technology to compensate for that by using the extra mics to pick up outside noise and block it out. If open-fit earbuds are all you know, then you'll love the polished sound on the FreeBuds 4. There's a silky clarity to music with an emphasis on vocals and instruments, though lows and bass are not as prominent. You can boost bass or treble through the Huawei AI Life app, and it does improve quality a little bit, but ends up overpowering other tones. Given the compact form factor of the FreeBuds 4, the battery stamina is on the lower end. The buds last around 4 hours on a single charge and can be extended to 22 hours with the charging case. Those of you who like long listening sessions will likely be disappointed. For us, the comfier open-fit design compromises too much on quality to make us recommend them over in-ear alternatives. If sound quality and decent noise cancellation is what you're after, both the cheaper FreeBuds 4i and slightly more expensive FreeBuds 4 Pro are great options that trump the FreeBuds 4 on sound quality and battery life. For our full review, head on over to techradar.com.